Generational patterns, breaking the cycle of silent wounds. Namaste, beautiful souls. I'm Seema Kukreja, and this is the Silent Fix, a sacred space for parents who want to heal and rebuild their relationships with their grown children through presence, energy, and gentle inner work. Today, we are talking about something quiet, powerful, and often unseen: generational patterns. The unspoken rules, roles, and reactions that get passed down like family heirlooms. Only these don't decorate our homes, they decorate our hearts, and sometimes they hurt. If you've ever wondered, why do we keep repeating the same fights? Or why does my child pull away even though I love them so much? This episode is your mirror and your medicine. What are generational patterns? Generational patterns are emotional habits families pass down, often without words. The rules we never said out loud, but everyone knew. Don't talk back. Don't cry. Please, everyone. The roles were assigned: the responsible one, the peacemaker, the quiet one, the strong one. The reactions we learned in stress: fight, flight, freeze, or fawn. We didn't choose these, we inherited them, and we carry them into our parenting even when we promised ourselves we'd do it differently. Take a breath. You're not to blame. You are becoming aware, and that is the doorway to change. The three hidden hand me downs. Number one, unspoken rules. Respect means silence. Your child learned early speaking truth is equals to conflict. So, as adults, they protect themselves with silence. Achievement equals love. If love arrived only with good marks or good behavior, your child may now hide their struggles to avoid disappointing you. Respect means honesty. Love is constant even when life is messy. Number two, assigned roles. The parentified child who handled emotions at home may now avoid your calls because they are tired of carrying adults. The peacemaker may agree with you in person but disappear later because they don't know how to disagree safely. The reframe for healing: you don't have to manage my feelings anymore. I can hold myself. I want to know you. Now let's look at the reflex reactions: fight, lecturing, correcting, debating; flight, ghosting, avoiding visits, unread messages; freeze, polite, short, no depth; and fawn, saying yes, then vanishing later. Let's look at the reframe for healing. When I feel triggered, I will breathe, soften my body, and choose curiosity over control. Let's look at how patterns show up in today's relationship. Maybe you think they never call. Underneath, a pattern whispers, when I share my truth, I am judged. Maybe you say they ignore me. Underneath, a pattern whispers, I learn to withdraw when I feel unsafe. These patterns were born to protect someone, you, your child, your mother, your grandmother. Acknowledging them is not betrayal, it is liberation. Let's look at a 5 step healing ritual. Step 1, pause and place. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Inhale through the nose and exhale softly through the mouth. Say quietly, in this moment, I choose safety. Breathe together for 3 or 4 rounds and keep repeating this sentence. In this moment, I choose safety. In this moment, I choose safety. In this moment, I choose safety. Step 2, pattern spotting prompt. Ask gently, what did my family teach me without words about emotions? When my child pulls away, what automatic reaction do I go into? Lecturing, fixing, guilt text, or silent treatment? Write down one pattern you want to interrupt. Step 3, reparenting the inner voice. Imagine your younger self, maybe 10 or 12 years old. She didn't feel heard. She tried to be perfect. Whisper to her, you don't have to earn love. I'm here. I'm listening now. This is where we stop handling the same wound to the next generation. Step 4, repair in real time. You can use the below scripts. The first one is invitation, not demand. And how you will use it? You'll say by saying, I miss your voice. When you're ready, I love to hear how you are. No agenda, just me listening. Second one, owning your part. I'm learning to listen better. If I interrupt or advise too soon, please tell me, I'll slow down. Number 3, boundary with warmth. Your feelings matter. Mine too. If a topic gets heavy, let's pause and return when we are both calm. Pick one and write it down verbatim. Anyone which resonates with you, and copy exactly the same way which I have told. And the step 5 is consistency over drama. One loving text a week, one visit without advice, one boundary honored. That's how a pattern dissolves quietly and consistently. Now, I invite you to take this 7-day pattern break challenge, a simple practice that will build quick wins. Okay, so day 1, what you're doing is send a no string message. Thinking of you today, no reply needed. Day 2, share a strength mirror. I love how independent you are. It inspires me. Day 3, practice a silent meal. No advice, just presence. Day 4, Write an unsent letter to your parents. Release what you carried. Day 5. One curious question only. What's lighting you up this week? Then listen. Day 6. Body check before a call. Soften shoulders, breathe, and half smile. And day 7. Appreciate process over outcome. I'm proud of your courage, not just the results. Tell them. Share this with your kids every day. It's a 7-day pattern break challenge, and I recommend you to save this list, print it, and repeat it monthly. Results will be compound. It can be varied for varied people, depends on how deep your problem is, right? But I would highly recommend you to go through this and you will see a miraculous result happening in your life. Now let's look at what this work will unlock for you. When we heal patterns, conversations feel lighter because your love is lighter. Your child voluntarily shares more because it's safe. You feel peace because you're no longer chasing control. This is the work we deepen together, gently, step by step. If today touched your heart, come deeper with me. Free live class, 3 sacred shifts to reconnect with your grown child. We'll map your family patterns, practice live listening tools, and craft a custom reconnection message you can send the same day. Register via the link in the description. Join a WhatsApp circle for mothers. Daily reminders, voice notes from me, and safe space where your feelings have a home. Join via the link in the description. Let's look at your signature pathway. For those who are ready for hand in hand guidance, I invite you into my signature program, the Silent Fix Pathway. What we do together in 8 weeks. We'll unpack patterns where you will identify your top 2 generational patterns with my guided mapping tool. Number 2, nervous system soothing, breath and body practice to stay calm during tough conversations. Number 3, safe scripts and sequencing, where you will learn exactly what to say, when to say, how to pause, and how to repair. Number 4, energy healing circles, release stored grief and resentment with gentle guided practice. And number 5 is reconnection rituals. Design your family's new normal, boundaries, celebrations, and check ins. Outcomes you can expect: fewer arguments, shorter triggers, more warmth. Your child responding more often, sharing more deeply. You feeling proud of the parent you are becoming, calm and clear and compassionate. If this is calling you, the details and application link are in the description. Let's do a small visualization. The new line in the sand. Close your eyes if you can. One hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. See your family tree behind you. Parents, grandparents, great grandparents. Thank them for the love, the effort, and the life they've given you. Now, see a soft line of light at your feet. The pain stops with me. Slowly whisper. The pain stops with me. The love flows through me. Bring your grown child into your mind's eye. You're not lecturing, you're not pleading, you're simply present. Say softly, Either you can say inside or you can say loudly, out loud. In this home, honesty is welcome. In this home, your no is honored. In this home, love is light. Breathe deeply and let the new patterns begin. Scripts you can use this week. They are very practical and powerful. First one, after a long gap, you are writing this to your child or saying it. Hi, beta, no need to reply now. Just wanted you to know I'm thinking of you and I'm here when you feel ready. Just before a sensitive topic, is this a good time to talk about something on my heart? If not, we can choose another time. During a trigger, I notice I'm getting reactive. I'm going to pause and come back to this with a calm mind because you matter to me. Repair after a misstep. I spoke from fear, not from love. I'm learning. Can we try again? I invite you to copy one script and use it in the next 48 hours, whichever one resonates with you, whichever you feel is the right one, you want to use it now. Write it down and use it in the next 48 hours and reply me back in the message or DM me saying how you felt and how was your response with your child. One thing I want to make it very clear. You're not broken. Your family is not broken. You're becoming conscious, and that changes generations. Come to the three free class, the three sacred shifts to reconnect with your grown child. We'll do this together, live. Link is there in the description. Join the WhatsApp circle for daily support and gentle accountability. Link is there in the description. And if your heart says yes to deeper mentorship, explore the Silent Fix Pathway, my step by step program to help you rebuild trust, safety, and closeness with your adult child. Details are mentioned below. Thank you for letting me sit with you today. Until next time, breathe gently, love lightly, and remember the pattern ends with you and the healing begins with you. Stay connected, love yourself. Thank you so much, and I love you too. Bye bye, and take care. God bless you.